Welcome class 7th. Class 7th. Today I am going to discuss the answers of the mock test which I gave you. Okay. This was your first revision. Okay, online. And the answers, many of you were having the difficulty in the answers, the correct answers. So right now I am going to discuss those answers with you, as well as I am going to explain you the numericals. So the question was, choose the correct answer. Yes, or choose the correct alternative. Now what was your first question, children? What is the formula of finding area of the square? You know, it was clearly given in the book that for the formula for finding the area of the square is side into side. Yes, so this was your first answer. Now the second question, the SI unit of density is dash. Very clearly I have explained you in the first chapter. What is the SI unit of density? Kilogram per cubic meter. That is kg per cubic meter. Okay, kilogram per cubic meter. Now the third question, the correct relation is. Now in this many of you have got confused. The correct relation is, and the answer, or you can say the correct relation was, mass is equals to density into volume. Now how? कैसे ये आया? Since children, you can see here explanation. Since you know that what is the main formula, density is equals to mass upon volume. और अगर हमें मास निकालना हो तो क्या हो जाएगा? वॉल्यूम विल गो टू दिस साइड. यस, अगर हमें मास निकालना है तो वॉल्यूम विल मूव टू दिस साइड. Since volume is getting divided here, and when the volume will move to this side, it will get multiplied with density. So what will be your relation which will come? Relation will be your mass is equals to density into volume. So your correct relation is mass is equals to density into volume. I hope children this you know that since density is equals to mass upon volume, so अगर हमें मास निकालना है तो वॉल्यूम इधर कर देंगे, क्या हो जाएगा? वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू मास इनटू डेंसिटी. यस, और अगर हमें सॉरी चिल्ड्रन, अगर हमें यहाँ पर मास निकालना है तो क्या हो जाएगा? वी विल टेक वॉल्यूम टू दिस साइड, सो इट विल बिकम मास इज इक्वल्स टू डेंसिटी इनटू volume. So this was the correct relation, that mass is equals to density into volume. Now the next was your question number 4 was your numerical. A girl travels a distance 150 meter in 1 minute. Her speed is dash. Now what the correct answer was 2.5 meter per second. Now I'm going to show you the solution. You can pause the video and you can take the screenshot. Okay. Now here what is given in the question? Distance traveled by the girl as well as the time taken by the girl, and you need to find the speed. Now since you know the formula for the speed is equals to distance upon time. So distance covered 150 meter, yes, and time taken how much? Time taken is your 1 minute. Now since you know that 1 minute, as you know that you have to what is the SI unit for speed? Meter per second. So meter is given, but it is given, this time is given in minutes. So it means you need to convert this minutes into seconds. Now since you know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 minute में कितने seconds होते हैं? 60 seconds. Therefore speed is equals to distance upon time, that is 150 meter upon 1 minute की जगह हम क्या लिख देंगे? 60 seconds. And after solving you will get 2.5 meter per second. So I hope children it is clear to you now. Now coming to next numerical children. A block of wood of density 0.8 gram per cubic centimeter has a volume of 60 cubic centimeter. The mass of the block will be. Now in this question the block of wood उसकी density दी हुई है and the volume was given, and you have to find that the mass of that block. So in this question the correct answer was 48 gram. Now solution children, how? Now density is given 0.8 gram. Yes, just wait. Density is given 0.8 gram per cubic centimeter of what? Of block of wood, and volume is given 60 cubic centimeter, and you need to calculate mass. Okay, now since again the same formula, density is equals to mass upon volume. मास को हम अलोन बनाएंगे बिकॉज वी नीड टू फाइंड मास, तो वॉल्यूम को यहां से हटा देंगे. वॉल्यूम यहां पर डिवाइड हो रहा है तो इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई. सो मास इज इक्वल्स टू न्यू फॉर्मूला डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम. So mass is equals to density 0.8 gram per cubic centimeter can be written as gram upon cubic centimeter into 60 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter gets cancelled and after multiplying you get 48 gram. So what is the mass of this block of the wood? Mass of this block of the wood is your 48 gram. I hope children it is clear to you. Yes. Now the next question number 6. The SI unit of speed is dash. So the SI unit of speed is meter per second. The area of a leaf can be found by using a dash. Question number 7. The area of a leaf can be found by using a dash. So the area of the leaf can be found, a leaf is a irregular object. Yes. So its area can be found by using a graph paper. This thing I have explained you already. Now question number 8. Which of the following is a vector quantity? So out of that, force was the vector quantity, because as you know children, what are vector quantities? Those quantities which have what? Which have magnitude as well as the direction. So force, you know that force is always applied. When you apply force, it is always applied in a particular direction. So it means your correct answer is force. Now question number 9 children. Dash is the total distance travelled to the total time taken. Now total distance travelled to the to मतलब क्या होता है, upon total time taken. So total distance travelled upon total time taken is your average speed. Average में do remember children हम total लेते हैं. Total distance travelled to the total time taken. So your correct answer is average speed. Now question number 10 children. The mass of a body dash. So the mass of the body, the correct answer was remains the same. You know that mass of the body does not changes from place to place or with time. It always remains same. Now next, an apple falling from a tree is an example of dash motion. So apple falling from a tree, when apple falls, it falls straight on the ground. So it is which kind of a motion? Rectilinear motion. As you know, rectilinear motion is a straight line motion. So I hope it is clear to you. This thing already given in the book. The SI unit of weight is dash. So the SI unit of weight is Newton. Newton, as you know, Newton is written like this, and in symbolic form it is capital N. So weight is a kind of a force only. Okay children. So the SI unit of weight is what is that? Newton. Now question number 13. Dash motion is a kind of oscillatory motion in which an object undergoes change in shape and size. So what is the kind of oscillatory motion in which only some part of the object moves? What is that? The motion in which the object undergoes change in shape and size and only some part move. That is your vibratory motion. So the correct answer was vibratory motion. This was your question number 13. Now next question children, question number 14. The device used to measure weight is called dash. So the device used to measure weight is your spring balance. Now question number 15. Velocity can be defined as the dash of a body in unit time. So what is the definition of the velocity? Velocity can be defined as the displacement of a body in unit time. That is, velocity is equals to displacement upon time. So your correct answer is displacement. Now I hope children I have discussed all the answer. Now one more thing I want to explain here children. As you know, what is the main formula of density? Density is equals to मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. तो अगर आपसे पूछा जाए व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला फॉर मास, तो अगर हमें मास का फॉर्मूला निकालना है, सो इट मींस वी आर गोइंग टू मेक मास अलोन, और यहां से वॉल्यूम को हटा देंगे. तो वॉल्यूम, सिंस वॉल्यूम हियर इट इज इन डिविजन फॉर्म, क्योंकि अपॉन है तो डिवाइड फॉर्म में, सो वी विल मूव द वॉल्यूम हियर. सो यहां पर डिवाइड हो रहा है तो इस साइड आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई. सो डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम is equals to mass, or you can say mass is equals to density into volume. yes. Or similarly if you have to find the volume, so from here only you can find the volume को अलोन बनाना है, डेंसिटी हटाना है, डेंसिटी यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड, अगर यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है तो इधर आके मल्टीप्लाई, अगर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. सो वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू mass upon density. So please do remember all these formulas, children. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, class.